Welcome back, guys, to another episode of XanTech. I hope you've missed me because I've definitely missed you guys. And today we have a good one. Today we are going to be opening up and checking out the SteelSeries Apex 3 10 keyless, or the TKL version. Now this is a gaming keyboard, but it's a membrane keyboard. It's not one of those mechanical ones that we gamers seem to love and enjoy very much, like my Apex Pro. This one is going to be for my girlfriend. Now, she's not a hardcore gamer, not into all of those first-person shooters, battle royale type games. She's going to be playing games like Neverwinter Nights, Diablo, doing some home office work, stuff like that. And I think the membrane keyboard is more than good enough for what she needs. So without further ado, let's open it up and see what comes in the box. Okay, so the SteelSeries Apex 3, open it up. First thing you see is the little Apex 3 TKL manual with all the relative information that you may need. We also have this rather thick and sturdy USB cord. You might think a budget keyboard is flimsy. Oh no, my friend, no wiggle room here. And on the underside, we have these rather snazzy little feet with rubber ends. These are not going to be slipping away from you anytime soon. And if we look on the underside of the keyboard, we've got these cable management channels. So you can set the cable up exactly how you need it for your desk. In the top right corner, we have the multimedia buttons. Scroll wheel up, scroll wheel down, volume down. Tap once to pause or play, twice to skip track, press 3 times to go to the previous track. The keys on the Apex 3 TKL keyboard are standard ABS keys on a membrane board. Now, taking off these keycaps will reveal these plastic columns. They just sit, like I said, on top of a membrane board, which SteelSeries claims is spill-proof. Now, some of you might be thinking, why would you get your girlfriend a membrane keyboard? Isn't that a bit crap for gaming? Why not go for a linear mechanical one, like the Apex Pro that I have for myself? Well, the reason being is that she doesn't really like the mechanical keyboards. She much prefers the membrane because they're a lot more silent. She feels they're a lot more tactile for her. And, you know, since she's not going to be blasting any of those first-person competitive shooters, she much prefers a nice relaxed feel of the membrane keyboard. And I don't know if you can hear this. I'll put my microphone a bit closer. But it's a lot quieter than my mechanical one. I'll just reach over here. Same type of pressing. This is the Apex Pro, and she doesn't really like that kind. She much prefers the feel of the membrane board. So that is one of the reasons that I decided to go for it. And I must admit, it is very slick, and I do like how quiet it is. Okay, so if you're an RGB fanatic like I am, let's plug this one into a computer, power it up, and see how it lights. And there it is, all plugged in and shiny. This is quite a bright room. I've got all the lights on, and you can see the illumination of the keyboard is really, really bright. So whether you're in a dark room or a bright room, the RGB on this is definitely not going to disappoint. And to control this keyboard, you just download the GG software from SteelSeries. You plug it all in, go into the engine, choose your keyboard, the Apex 3 TKL, and then once in there, you can change your illumination settings here. Here you highlight this to show the zones. Each zone has its own setting, and then you can choose the effects, whether you want it steady, color shift, multicolor breathe, or switch it off completely if you're not an RGB fan. But then, of course, why would you buy this if you're not an RGB fan? Here you can choose the effects, the color gradients. Like I said, I've got it set to green because that's my girlfriend's favorite color, and I know she'll really appreciate that. Here, of course, you can change your key bindings. And over here, you've got your settings for the keyboard, whether you want it English, US, UK, Deutsch, French, and so forth. Okay, well, there you go, guys. That was a quick unboxing and plugging in of the awesome Apex 3 TKL keyboard for my girlfriend. And as you can see, I'm a massive SteelSeries fan. I've got myself the Apex Pro. I got the SteelSeries GCK Prism Cloth desk pad. I got my white keycaps. I got 2 Rival 710 mice. So it's safe to say I am a huge SteelSeries fan. So SteelSeries, if you're watching, send me more stuff to review and, you know, to get a chance to play with. This is definitely not a paid promotion. I'm just a super fan. And there you go. That was the Apex 3 TKL. And as always, guys, I will see you again in the next one. Take care.